ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
rari zwinwele
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on a 3. Rose of Hano, and I did a company chair.
When I'm going to get me, it is under me.
In another could no, the nigga the one of the water.
Never guessed the camera.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, never true. I'm sure now it's what you go far about me.
Oh, I guess that was serious. No,
what is I? Nah, it's okay.
Right, it's been a long time coming. Didn't go to the shoot at the
voice note.
What's going to tell you,
yeah, bro, because the thing is, not build that zero connection in our bro.
I think what the guy talking about. Why didn't you talk about it?
No, not you, bro.
Oh,
so like. This is money guide says bro. And the offer this I'm as big as like somebody will be like, hey, hardcore ni very man. Just think like
my podcast remembers that what very big. It's also about the brains. Because people think, okay, we should do a podcast, okay. Okay, what I mean. What about the people that have the brain? But never dissectors, what is a podcast?
But you can have a brain and not be able to express what's in your brain. That's why
I need to do video then. In that case.
Is the guest is it no Mara. I feel like ranga blow maunga bora.
Yeah, I feel like from trying potential guest, I would say, man, who would that be?
But I feel like so podcasting as well.
Okay, maybe it's not about utanya mutu or how intelligent they are. But I always think, okay, I'm gonna have this person. They are doing good na me. But what are we gonna talk about besides that? Because I've been let's know you. Because if you wanna talk about music, then any kind of music express.
But not even as much as you're famous. I feel like Renessa, the content creator, to respect also the boundaries is where there are certain things some people just don't want to talk about, bro. Even if like they're famous. It's like, bro, I don't want to tell about my girlfriend. Like I'm popular, but come on.
Speaking of that, okay, girlfriend.
And goes bona.
No, Rinzo Dana yet.
Uzbona. Umshumo.
Yes,
Umshumo. But like it's something like this right.
She was not supposed to come and shoot. No, but
she's at work. She's in the healthcare space. You know, she's saving the nation. Yeah, one day. That's footy.
Oh no, that's what I was one.
No,
Maruko did already doctor. Would you share a can of
pharmacy?
Hey,
pharmacist.
She's a pharmacist.
Yeah.
Somebody pushes Gwen. Guy.
Hey, baby. Don't listen to this man.
Yeah,
pushes Gwen.
Venda.
Man, I'm close. But we're
nice. Why are you Antony? I do love all any.
Yatura, bro.
Dear guy.
Astabadera.
Hey,
but uncle Yobia. Yeah, allegedly, so on.
It's really good.
Eh? It's really nice. Yo, my bro. You, baby.
I'm going to need discount, Mom.
No better.
Anna.
No more better. I don't know. Very. Yeah, but I'm okay with it because you young inspire. Maybe they feel like now for the kind fee. It means they think I can make that, you know.
Because I know and then don't know. It's not
allegations.
Kind of a price I'm so thinking of that. So I'm trying to think. I'm closing away Gonyesa.
Comedy damage, like from what I know.
Damage nobody.
It's a long story, but
price is long story.
No demand crow money. Yeah, old lady. la demandwa kholomo ya ngwana. So it was 2 cows. So 2 cows, depending on family charge up guy for kholomo usually 10,000. So 20 is God.
Gone. Venda ndipo
Gone, bro.
2K
Salary ya mtu.
damage. Apparently.
Pezeni one else one.
That's a lot. I did too much. Okay, you've been pushing this thing, yeah, Venda, but I feel like you've been. I don't know, not only kana nendo than like I don't even know our first encounter.
Yeah, that's crazy also because today I was so excited by the way.
Why?
I couldn't sleep, bro.
You do the same thing.
Baby.
We're doing the same things though.
I don't know. I've always been a fan of yours.
Like, don't say that, man, to another guy.
No, I've been a fan. I'm not ashamed. But if then fan here channel and subscribe and then like I'm a huge fan. I'm just not a member, but I will be a member one day.
Yeah,
but I've always been a fan because I was looking for this kid they call HvrdKid Venda. They should my content. So content in the 2022. Yeah.
So that's just before I started 2023.
Yeah, ndotoma 2022 but ndichitomoita content ndakopusha music wanga ndasikuita back ladies and gentlemen nene tingovarumerisa
Doli
kela yanga
arovita nichitunisedzaa
oh this is a killer ni
zochita nothing tongari
yeah bro now like unadzinga ngapa like unatiukura apa like shout out my G like shout out. I got one nigga, bro. Yeah, and that nigga is like, it's just getting through, bro. Like, Rico to the 910, in fact, like to...
You need an intern? Who told you?
It will be an unpaid. Because, well, Rduba, obviously, like, working and stuff, compensate transport. But, like, yeah, eventually, Rduba, like, somebody will edit and somebody will... In fact, we'll need a studio.
I've been saying, guys, this was content. But for create na mishumo. Netina wo.
Well, atina mishumo, nsonga kumbela mishumo.
No, man.
I'm not employing people, bro. I'm broke. So I'm just saying that like we need somebody and join a team at Wakutusa like that. So that's 2022, bro.
No, the intro first.
Oh, back, ladies and gentlemen. Then got the HvrdKO. I'm see. Don't fire it out. So yeah. So sometimes I freestyle my back, ladies and gentlemen. Tumanga freestyle. Yeah, but I stopped that thing. Yeah, it is. But yeah, I think I'll need to go back. But yeah, Tumanga 2022, bro. Yeah, ndichikuita pusha music wanga because I'm a rapper. So just kuspine it last to like music wangu ku 1 or 10 views. Yeah, it's Dwafetu.
Yeah, as it should. As you want into this million road.
Yeah. And then the guy man go panda. So it's like, hey.
I
don't know, man. I still feel like for musically, I still want to. I think doesn't want to Apple Music yangori. I want to have an album that charts, you know, like Ndikakonori. I've done something musically because I feel like this is a music reviewer, but I'm not really a hit maker. So I feel like the hit maker zinga doubter credibility angayori. Diambenga hit. That's why I'm touching Busori HvrdKO hit this one. I'm always say like, I don't know. I've never made a hit. I'll tell you what I have. So yeah, that's what 2022. This goes spanner, bro. And then later on, ndatangana na Gideon Carter internet. TheGyad. Long live, my nigga. And then I was like, he's like, I still have his DM. It's like, Poison, I like what you're doing. Yeah, I gotta pull up. And at that time I had 500 views, bro. Like, over Notoma, Gadi, I think 2022, that's when he was catching on. Nendo Janako Jen, all I'm fit. Just but he was popular before me.
Yeah.
So I was like, ndichimukaiza nenda ndichimuvenga ti well I used to not like him at first because of his critique. He once gwagwamisa Mizo ndasatakale ngoma amumbaisa amwambelulaniswa zombaisa bro ndari Gideon, you know. But after then he's like, no man, you'll understand later when you do your own thing. And then when I started doing it, I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, my feeling was coming. So, no number. So, so yeah, since 2022, bro.
Yeah. Where were you when you received that news? Yeah, Yeah, TheGyad. Is it Gyad or Guide?
It's TheGyad,
Hey, man. Yeah.
not TheGyad. And it's apparently influenced by CMG.
Really?
Yeah, the God. Metro Tindi, the God.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, in the
Mkona zote.
Mkona zote chonganachi.
Yeah.
You should have that nigga soon in your show.
Yeah, should. Maybe. Attend. But we come to
I
the metro.
don't get out.
Just come to the mini.
Yatakaza metro api.
No, nitakaza.
Yeah, he's a cool guy, eh?
Nitakaza guy going to mbona ka student.
No, the episode zanga zotoma tumandiko tingo zonde 2022 like 2023 I did interviews the same things that I do but ndachitanga phone yanga ngona so ndachimfonera ajena a contributor zvizhinji ndikambira gokomisa tumanje chama nori Mizo mbengi like a lot of things that I learned about him. He's such a cool guy and angata content ola munhu utakadzopfirisana nani man.
Really? You think so?
Metro rakaza man.
Leopo Marel Gwen. I don't know. Listen to Leopo.
Military bells that say.
Yeah, like them TheGyad the way you receive the news.
Yeah, I was on Facebook. I'm I think that was it a Thursday, yeah. And then unarina post chinepe. I don't know ways. Yeah, I think or no ways or something. I can't remember that thing.
Yeah.
What? Una voice no una for faking stories because una we are trend for ako fake the album ati ako diwa Nigeria una wadhiwa matadawe una we know of you
guys no to gogo man there so catalyst nje ko pirisa
but yeah I told them gogo misa but una mbudrina no ways and I don't know bro, don't play with this nigga to check or fit. So I was on Facebook and this is one of
yeah.
Then ndathoma wanulusa bathu bakuhamba bakuposta ndamfonele nemunhu lamfethu because on my last episode he was supposed to be there and I think I was sort of pissed at him because like over carried the life ngone and then
live yaka TikTok
yeah I read the life at
TikTok push
yeah then go push so ndarika join ngongwana abakhomba busy and what. Then I was like, no, it's okay. I think ndandina ini rapeza ndono vanabe iwe richibo rapeza just jena zvawe ngomwana like but inside and I'm phoning the last message I sent him it was my voice note bro. Yeah, like ndikomubuzo ri bro chini no risongambera bafu. No risongambera bafu ti.
Yeah, okay, but jena kazo man because I feel like evela zituti nana muzi because mulondo nifonera nanikombuzo ri hey ndiko shoot mini I was talking about this thing. I feel like that thing. Nazo no ndikadhirwa nazo mama.
Udhirwa nazo. Amardo janakar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ndambuzo I wasn't happy with what he did. What, but it's okay. We'll have another day. And then abona dubalenda ndiko shoot hele episode yopesera episode 5. Ilanda mbrashkipa cha pinki.
Yeah.
Na miriro. Yeah. So abagoto jena at the first segment. Ndikuto fonele na the vibe. Mfana wawe. So Ariano ndi bees. That was the last thing he said to me. Yeah, bro. I'm tendo far then phone back
yeah
no na stress and then later on ndaba ndikupfuria ovayo lamfethu then yeah
and then back to the thing in error kwamba ngayizini do you think last in now because I feel like don't know per view yanga because it on a live that day kana right waka call
raka live
yeah so what do you think of that thing or ube na muntu ane uyakona the problem I think the first person that I saw was Galinkuta akamba zori hey amfarere Mizo ka farere TheGyad na makadzi all those things and then msanda nabo bayamba ngori TheGyad obachi favor babathu na mini obasinandwa nawe and all that do you think love to ziba zinto zivalid urijamunga mumtu ene mnazo wasongo jamba because I would say anything in not of fire zvino mso mfana ndikazo muna wala muna achifuna Mizo na mini and asali na ashtamuzuri ndivani kuri comes in one attention kai nawo ndiko tomozvipera bathu don't you think that's the case maybe you can just give me your view
I don't know man I don't think from Gali's perspective it's coming from a bad place
no for both of them I don't think it's coming from a bad place just that nisongozvita nikuambira mtu ane ango ni rumor
okay but I think Gali ka situation yawe akwambori vathu vapfesesi TheGyad achita zvone because like baba chibononga utoba na anger and all that but it's not like it was personal for him ngomana askori wabafuna akwambori no it wasn't as deep as people think it was ngomana mara for msanda I feel like yeah that was a little bit for me it was the one because
no mara Gali akombera farero
akonya kuumbera farero
na Gali kuramba so ari ndikuba umbechera farero
ino mimi natingwebone like clip
no msana botoramba zori mini like rinezo ite yawo like we know the favorite artist ya TheGyad obo Mizo ti of which rote rather your favorite artist yawe ndinyi
Metro.
danki ti
Yeah, and that's the allegation. It's true.
makavhile adadzura pano rambuso ri favorite artist yagadi ndinyi udori ndi Metro ti but then just because achewa ene munhu wamapongo and then you feel like wabona tension between him and someone ero nyango ri vasongosara vachivofarana ngambiru comes Mizo sara
just two.
and then you're like no favorite artist yone vo Mizo and then of course azavengi Mizo achimufuna ti
He was also his favorite.
exactly because nane ndo rari so ndiadhira Mizo ndiyafuna muzika wawe you also mentioned that all the time
Ndiyamfuna Mizo, like he's my
exactly
favorite.
but then
rapper.
just because ndiyamfuna azvamuri that's my favorite artist I feel like that's what I was actually fighting against uri kari uchambira mtu ane hawo but then mwamona view yawo
That's true. But I think in you were taking a bit, you were a little bit, being a little bit too hard on Msanda. Like,
no I wasn't
I feel like Msanda ndi mtu ane brand yawe clean, you know?
Yeah.
So like, unga robot boy.
hey muna
No, for real. Unga robot boy. Msanda ka industry. Ronga, ndizenda kubuza Galinkuta.
isn't that an insult though
No, it's not.
not mtunga robot boy
The robot boy is a loved guy. People love him. He's not just people's darling. Like really, that guy is people's darling.
Yeah.
Or pull up out here. Shout out to him. I don't know if should put on my niggas, but shout out to him. Don't send it into Niawe. Ila should be when manager.
just chipwa
Yeah, just chip you. He worked with Robot Boy when he was like coming up. Robot Boy didn't give him like a Wundayangwa. He understood
Yeah.
quit and Robot Boy was not as big. No one So Msanda ufunwa mwana mwe. But I feel like Udoba Aitori he tries to clean it up so too much also. Like officer too clean him and is like damn bro. Not even one scandal, man. Like
have you ever had any scandal about me
and that's the thing, you have a clean image of a good guy who doesn't drink, who doesn't.
Of course.
I mean, you
that guy. That's what I am though.
I mean, maniga chko. Okay, tukunya kututaya na mami mara. Yomzere Antwerp. Hey, that hand is nice. That girl is nice. I don't know. But you gotta be loyal to your hand, bro. You can't be saying stuff.
This way so.
People loyal and I'm saying you. Riani kama masazi. Mara nina maniga ni nishibanu kwamba.
Nende ambori mtundu wabu
maniga mna kwamba.
Nijamba ndinayo. Wala mtundu wabu di.
Ninaye. Masazi kuchira zvaudhi bro.
Tiri vari kutori riko na soda.
Sonia dhiri vani kumusoda ni vaviri.
Are soda.
Kuliwana lopaka hii. Ukliniso la muna bro.
Yeah, I get what you mean. But I feel like kubudza mtu rutonga robot boy strong insult yan. Judging for what people have been saying about him.
But he's not a backstabber. Well, allegedly.
Yeah. Okay.
Allegedly.
Ati dzuri naini ramba ndaenda dzona mumtu anenalwa naye radhi vari right radhi like umwe na umwe nevanihone
mara ni ave nini between inside na mutu.
I get it mara I don't know how to explain it man mara itosva robot boy
so robot boy
probably will make Jivanga explain better because they have done that.
So robot boy what did I mean ukotyo currently ndichirwa na ini Kingsley mona
ngwazoruita mini yazvino if you have to be loyal to look at what he did. He was working for the network habona story chinja kuite. He's also with the other guys. So now he's caught in between vala vakubuza ukuti deliver. Remember ohayerwa ka network ura deliver. And when you have to deliver now you're like
asiyalena brand yawo ukuti uripindurira but baba kubuyiza naso as long as
the moment you tell asiyalena brand yawo then kabve kavo vathu asikonya kuba friend ya mwana mungu because asibati pati vena
but his brands love him so he's like leverage for a business or this is brand and as endorsement
protector
so he's an industry darling that's when Gambari
that way
he is he's an industry darling it's like Galinkuta they're trying to do the same thing guy.
No, what do you mean man?
Galiam gwagwamisi yapi bafili achitoba gwagwamisi kiba lava voto mulubeletsa they all over his
really
inodzanda
mapungo man
kali ndichini buzoribiwa ndi Jezebel wa Venda pe ndichini vatu vachiri ndikoto mukorera
that's why this guest ndari kuchava zvizi
no kuchava zvizi That's why it's a rambi,
know,
bro.
What do you mean, man? I feel like
No, they're trying to use Gali because he's popping.
but I don't think ono wana mutu nya.
No, usuulwa. Mara Gali achimera story. So no mumuzori ba Phyll, how does he really feel? Then uzori blind, mini namzitreke skoro. Usikotenda. Ngori bompa feature. It's like a cosine, bro. Like heloti inipa cosine uni hook so. Like I feel like that's what they did to Gali because bro, Gali ono sokoba. Well, I like uri ono bigger than Venda ne?
Yeah.
Wofungona ngamazulu. But like a lot of these guys they're using him, man, especially by Venda.
What are the other people missing zwe Gali later? What are the other people missing zwe Gali yakuita?
Charisma. Avana charisma ya Gali. Avana they're not funny. They don't have Avana, there's nothing interesting about these niggas, bro. Venda bunjabo ne. Avana there's nothing to buy in. You wanna ninga ni mfunero ngori ndichirana bathu. Nechuli na musu. Nana msetangana ni startani chimbenga. Me chill nigga, me Grootman, I'm a young brother. Man nigga no Gali, they those guys who like Jemeni. Ninga rona Jemeni. Nangurira na Jemeni. It's those niggas who are just life of the moment. Ninga si ela tu never know to una chiro kwite like uncomfortable ngo bazine abazone but so the young guys, the little guys, they root for them because it's like, man, if Gali can do it as well, if Gali, a guy from the villages la liningolawe anga velera nena baro velera mama liningala taba.
Oh, it makes sense.
So that's why they love him.
Okay, wrapping up the thing at TheGyad, do you think the guy was done with what he was supposed to do, man? In terms of the entertainment space?
Yeah, I think it was done, bro.
You think it was?
I think death closes it all, bro. Death is the end.
Don't you think?
There's no. They could have, bro. We don't know. Gori, he did what he could. Like people like me, re-exister. Rapi was, because just a lot of the bullets.
Yeah, for such.
Yeah.
I feel like, that's
the thing. To be the ransom yayo yabagwagwa misi.
Ako protector vewe so.
Yeah, no, don't get me wrong, bro. Gambori, God did what he had to do in this world. And I feel like there was more he could have done. Because us, we're still around.
Yeah,
he did what he can, but I feel like it doesn't end with him. Life, I feel like that's where bro. So God do it as right. But I feel like there was potential.
Yeah, for more.
Yeah, makazi yako though. Hey, I think it was gonna be a disaster for makazi soon. No, like what for? Tulamfetula ni Oscar Tomala USB. This last thing God was trending for was that thing. That's why initially I have some respect for makazi because on his funeral, on the live stream, she actually pulled up and put a whole brand and said, "Rest in peace, Guide." Like she wrote them and took a screenshot.
Don't Mizo pezi.
Mizo mbagayo.
No, postanti ya posta yordona.
Yo we, posta admin we ngozipelwa be.
Mara cha admin ndi Mizona. That's what it means.
Mizona's lady zinji, bro.
Hey.
Zinji. He can literally just say, don't poster, man. Hey, king.
Yeah, I feel poster. Poster.
But it's not from the heart. It's like my friend they're gonna come for me. They're coming for him either way. So he didn't achieve anything.
Yeah, I mean, also done Lunar the other day. Because Lunar is coming to the podcast. You're like, hey, why are you trying to revive this guy?
You're trying to revive him. He's gone.
What do you mean by that, bro?
He's dead.
Because I feel like the guy.
Lunar.
Okay, why in revive?
I'm not closing him up, but
and I even told him, I'm like, no, man, that guy in the movie that podcast
no. Yeah. I mean, Lunar. Songoba no ambas. Proceed with caution.
But then what do you mean by that? And how do you tell Orumutu or Achikadrobotom?
Now we've Lunar Rena. Since December, no for mini kai.
But then the timing.
I mean, it's 5 months in, bro. Where this is music.
Where's Gooseba?
Gooseba on channel was Java and I said, where's Gooseba? Bro, it's freestyles. Gooseba is teasing new music.
Even with Lunar now.
Lunar with the music. I said,
what is that? TikTok.
Philly. He wishes. His masters. They want me. So who is he? then that's the problem.
Who's the masters?
Ningodom recover.
What are the
Bo
masters?
crosswave. Vanhu vakaye Mizo vashumelene apfika dzime dzialbamu crosswave kozvimisa zvaveiwe zvitakataka ashumela vafili
You lie.
oh hey unandala Venda, bro. Like niggas are hungry and they'll do whatever they can.
I feel like the guy ukadibana chance.
No, he still has a chance. I'm just saying then go to revive Vangori. Wave your offer. It's dead, bro. It's gone.
Okay, maybe by the time he should drop the way of wave your one.
Hey, it's over, bro.
And I provide Sarah's of Kuma.
Over Lamfit Kireo. Or Enges, I mean. There was a guy they called Roddy Rich.
Oh,
that guy dropped an album. It was a no skip. That's how we categorized it in 2020. I skip it.
The box. If the box.
Yeah. Yeah. Elantu was no skip. He waited for 2 years or 3 years. Not dropping. Abu Yane or Wanachipuku. So don't think you're a superstar, bro. Keep feeding your fans. And the income revive. In a brand, it's easy for you to do it.
Don't revive. Then the creators no shumenda so. That's what I do, bro. What if I didn't revive? How would you feel?
Yeah, you are probably.
Yeah, what do you mean by that, bro?
You are big, bro.
But then you are pushing also.
No,
on
but
the side.
Yeah, but
so about reviving.
Me pushing doesn't mean.
Remember reviving? I mean, no, vusa to your far. Not to nature.
Yeah, Kai Shubu, you gonna revive me a lot because at in a community. So, I give credit. Because I know what's happening. This is how it works. You need others. You can't just do this by yourself.
Yeah.
That thing from me. I'll pass the same torch to them. Yeah. Kingsley. Gideon Carter was the first guy who ever pulled up to my podcast. From all the content creators. They never liked me.
No, we didn't.
In Sandivi, yeah. In Ngasimbeng, in Wahashut. In Mudau Mafhuwa na Mudau na Ramabulana Rari na Ukazi na Ushaka.
Oh, tomorrow Ushaka. Guys, I don't want to intro. Yeah. Welcome to the Black Couch, man. I don't even. This is not I. As a guest, Mara. Welcome to the Black Couch. Coming at you live from Panda Studios. And if you want to do quality, na yato shukara confess or no, there's no other place in Geneva. So if you want to utilize the studio, can hire the equipment I can contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then also, this episode is brought to you by HvrdKO.
What?
Yeah, so it's brought to you by HvrdKO. If you the packages never also never phone any number.
They should have pulled up to my mom's funeral, man.
When did your mom?
Familiar in
when did your mom pass?
But yeah.
When did your mom pass?
2025. 5th of January.
Next funeral never be. Bruh, what do you mean?
At least I'm gonna say.
Trauma.
Gali.
No, man.
Gali.
No, don't do
that.
No, man. Yeah, but if you want to contact them, they contact them on 015-151-0251 kana 0252 kana mafonere ka nomboro dzine za WhatsApp dzirene poka bena. And then also ni check us on the net www.mr21.co.za. Then you get everything you have to know about them. Yeah, man. Love too is just how he speaks, not urindivan go say azwazikwambiwa.
Nah, and then you feel there's nothing wrong with what you're doing. You have a dark sense of humor, bro.
I
dark, I
write for bango batu.
Yeah, it's sensitive if you are very sensitive. Not sensitive.
That's why maybe this nawangana banje.
You don't have friends?
Yeah, I don't have a lot of friends, bro.
Ngombesani ni to diva batu kana ndamburi kasekelianu anga feel like let's go out. Ningaona ni bangana. Afika Cape Town for a trip as a couple.
No, I've covered the Cape Town. Okay. Most probably less than. Oh, okay, let me tell you this thing. See, rarako selling with the banantu na mami. Awakori. You know, it's funny how out of the best men can do there. But one is the chanda. That's how.
That's bad, bro.
What do you mean it's bad? It's good, man.
It's bad, bro.
Yeah, Mara.
You gotta have niggas,
man. I have my
man.
guys, man. Yeah, think about you guys. Do they tap on the 5?
Because you see, man, don't you know I'm just there, Benam.
Nah, I don't
know. Don't want to list in the area and don't do a blackout.
Yeah, Mara, that's just that, man. Also, I wanted to touch on the Unar.
I'm your friend, though, don't worry. I'm friends.
That, man.
Mamuna.
Yeah. We are baby. But I'm Marala Maruko. Ah, she chancellor. Did you see the awards? The Metro. Or did you have
I
a
didn't
glimpse of
watch
them?
them. I heard about them.
What did you think of those men? Okay, that thing.
I think she was done dead.
sabotage.
I don't think it's sabotage.
You think the watu bone baneti?
Yeah, fans.
They don't vote.
People, they don't vote.
It's more like renfuna.
Renfuna on internet, like it's like Makazi. If she campaigned, she would have won most of them.
Was she nominated?
Right. She wasn't nominated. I don't know why.
Maybe.
Makazi.
Or Uraba Kopa to chance. Uraba win.
Man, no would have been. That's
what she said, man.
Let me leave them for now. The way as well would.
I'm like, yeah, what does that thing mean for Venda, man? Yeah, una rems. To you. Ina nukupucha mziko wa Venda. Nebi nsokupucha chukuna chivi.
I don't know, Uri. Ningari for Venda. I don't know, eh? I don't know. I didn't celebrate it because he's the Venda. Yeah, I think it added an advantage during the Venda, but I think Una is talented, man. So that win, I feel like, in as much as we'll make it about ourselves, because Venda refu it does it about ourselves.
That nigga is a Grammy also, man.
That guy is a Grammy.
Because Metro Rabez G to Kai. What about Takarongor? They didn't Venda to now.
No, I respect the Summers more than the Metros. You know why?
I think so.
Yeah. Metros are based on the fans, what they like. Fans like terrible things, bro. Ningasibathembe bangoba bathu. Nangafi song of the parapara engatoni nangi. Bona nizwite bokwethe mina ka parapara ichinangisa bathu top 30. Ka top 30. Ukuwina zonke zinyimbo zine mangalo fan.
The fans what's going on like you said.
The fans who can vote probably bapfazwe zwila.
Yeah.
But baneba thetshelesa muzika. They probably don't even afford to vote. Or they don't even know where to vote, bro, for the Metros. Like Una, shout out to Una because Una don't fuck Metro FM. I don't know, you listen to Metro. He had an entire interview na Teledi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that guy is smart. Yeah, that's when I knew he's gonna win it because from all the guests there, he was like Una you can easily buy into his story, bro.
But I feel like also with Zingumal, that was the case as well. Because Ojenaka had Tibutach. Rashi sold herself in a way I thought like she was gonna take at least 2 from the 7. How long on it as a billboard mamun?
How long like social media, yeah, it was just about that. Her fans even reminding you that go vote. They still didn't vote. How long she was also, I feel like Metro shoved her. They put her under the bus, bro. Nominate her so much. People were like, what that is a option, man. You're gonna vote for 7.
What you could tell about Winanga? To tell Winanga as a 3. One nominate Rongan. Tukutela, just extend Tukutela. I'm not sure how many times we win a lot. Yeah. See,
I feel like it's a reality check that a fan base is weak, bro. Like they're not Mafena Mizo. Mafena Mizo, they do the same. When he was making shows, well, good the Ferrodova for to come on Mizo. But it's either ways, he has a lot happening. It's easy to talk about what he's doing.
Yeah.
Mizo udeta show higher about 10. Oh. Gastora mini, I think Mizo like
never disclaimer to
no, I'm trying to commend what Gastro did. Mizo support you. When December you fail because people weren't showing up, weren't buying tickets.
Yeah.
Oktoberfest failed because of the same thing. So his fans, they love him on the internet. Yeah, but still he was the face of it. Yeah. And the Bumashala, I mean, somebody was telling me Bumashala wants to recoup, eh? Apparently he invested a lot of money on Mizo and he wants it back. I don't know.
Where are you getting that?
Eh? Come on, Ghana at Fhyll.
Yeah.
Allegedly so, though, because I don't know what business dealings they had together. But I think I saw what Marshall did for Mizo. I feel like Mizo, I don't know if they still work together. But I heard out of a relationship with the. But I feel he failed because his fans support him on the internet, bro. They just say, we love you. And their fans are kids. It's like so much Josie. Bro. So, yeah.
Yeah, but then what makes you think Venda Zambia go fade, then Gastro go fade, but he's still the face? Not the face, maybe the owner, I don't know.
Yeah, I think in the concept, man. That idea of Gastro, I feel like it was just something that was unheard of. And the farmers market to that level, the business going there. It's not just only Mizo's clientele. I mean, who advertise? There's this guy who makes fabric there in Venda.
I don't know. Fabric.
Wait, suit your as a team, man. That guy.
So that's a deal.
Yeah, nigga love Venda living, some fabric guy. Go check him out. But yeah, like maniga so achia ana fan base. Alla maniga na ma fan base a maniga classy, married niggas. So they're like, hey man, I'm gonna be showing off my suits there at Gastro, pull up. And then I'm not gonna pull up in this podcast, but it is stall. So straight to Uri Udur Farafara.
Okay, do you think if our OGR Venanga December rarity and then he made the same concept with the same name, Ricky was already time before it was gonna be successful also? After Venanga December Traders Market.
I don't know, man. I feel like that name Venanga December just way too big. For it wouldn't have worked, man. I think Venanga December Tioto Buya Iyo Nine. Mizo e farm la ilantu. Apelantu yeshitwa Christmas. Ninga Christmas. Nima nazi plan.
Yeah, kola rice mdini.
Yeah, nima ni mdini. Niko chila na family with who you've never seen for years, bro, sometimes.
Yeah.
So niko yaka fili. And then don't forget they go na fili yako perform ronga.
Why do people think you hate Mizo Phyll? I think that's the question we should have.
Why do you think I hate him? Because I talk about him a lot. And I'm willing to like call him out, bro.
Okay, do you hate him?
No.
Then all this bad thing that you're saying, what does it mean to him?
What bad thing did I say?
Yeah, no, everything that you say.
I've never said anything bad about
him.
You
go live almost every week. Let's say twice a week. Don't come Mizo. When I say that I'm not joining it, I'm like, at told me, and I'm gonna have to respond. Yeah, so such things, bro.
But it's not from hate. Like I said, that guy has so much happening in his life. He's such an interesting guy. No, like feel it right now. Clip this and go put it up. You see, it just performs differently. They just want to hear about him. And unfortunately, the opinionated. Most of his fans can't say it. Most of his followers, they are fake. Because they can't tell him the truth. On sharing on him, bro. That shit is whack, bro.
Let
me tell you the name of that song. That song is, if it's up minikana, man, that song is terrible. Marane, it doesn't mean Mizo Chamizga bad. It's just that song is bad. Cool. Rufi, up and up. 3,000 views. They love him. They don't care. Uri is whack. His fans.
Yeah, but then what do you think these artists are getting wrong in terms of the creators? Because remember the clip that narrate Amba also.
Oh, yeah, context because I just make a sense of the story. But
yeah, just make a sense to clip ya 1 minute or 30 minutes.
Yeah, what
it's fine. What do you think? But Venda, Imbiti, Abakuana right in terms of the content creators, because I don't think
yeah, they only take what they want to take. Because I feel like it's not just them. Content creators, bro. It's not just Venda. There's a guy, I think I plugged you, DJ Academics. I don't know if you know him.
The guy when I sent earlier though.
Yeah. Mizo America like that guy was the one who was instigating Drake and Kendrick Lamar beef. Yeah. Like they make man, they drive Lamborghinis from this thing that we're doing. We are doing 9 to 5s, bro. Mara blind, viral like at TikTok on YouTube. Mara
drive.
That's bangers, lads. And that's Yangela. Nanga was already a top. Yeah. So, like, I feel like artists are Venda, they need to know this is how the engagement is going to angai. Like, content creators push conversations. Beyond your music, you are nothing, bro. Really build the character behind your music. Now you're rooting for Mizo because you're like, HvrdKO wants Mizo to fail. Wants his album to be a flop. Yeah, I'm going to play Mizo just to show this guy that Mizo is lead. It creates that conversation. So I feel like, I need to I don't know, criticism. I don't know how you take criticism because no, man,
that thing. Okay, that is the story news. actually funny enough when I'm going to add the remember Blake the post that akuri RIP Gideon Carter and all that so ndarishera kila chitu like exactly what he wrote ndoto just screenshot ndadona chipost that and then ingwati ndoto zvona lingo ndiko jeka nakadzi request za Instagram then okay ndiko chena ila tiri no songa nambe zo zwini Gideon Carter ufimi nodzima Gideon Carter interview. I was like okay
nomzimani
that's the thing okay in Amazon ngiyaga then I will tell you my side yesu nakambo nongo komisera zone
yeah so we overfit Kingsley wabeyiwe yesithange echithabe cha low self esteem low self esteem yeah okay in opinion yore aninyagi uklipiwa ne you have an issue with being clipped and your content being shared.
Yeah, the content
you have an issue with that for what reason I feel like that you can explain mara I have an issue with that. I think I told you I didn't like it. So Raba Wese Kaila video ya Gideon Carter we was telling the story of Racha
Lamfetu.
Yeah, well first of all Mwamba.
Mute la part.
So better. Okay. Lamfetu ne.
Mara na nini yaritejeleza? Cause Ronu noringo dama ngaya aringa tutejesu ku podcast kwanu.
But na Mwamba. Na tejeleza.
Anu Mwamba.
No, okay, kaya zino ndo Mwamba.
Jambo right.
Anga na tejeleza.
Yeah, it's unpanda. It's unpanda.
Olamtro eka ya root kid iti. Call me my nigga.
Yeah, it's unpanda.
Yeah, but either ways. So in a reporter video ya Gideon Carter.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if you reported it or you claimed the right.
No claim the right.
And then they didn't take it down.
You're a blocker.
It's shadow banned.
You claim rights in the block.
Yeah. Nenda chikono yei hone. Ya ngoto iblock la uzuri arikoni ibona. Ya yo shadow ban. So I recommend it. So you have to search for it to find it. Mara yanibuzori content yo jondi video. Yo mubudze nori. So like bro, for me it was confusing why you doing that bro cuz I'm like bro that's what you do man. Content is about that.
Apparently there's anything cuz I feel like we spoke about this thing okay. Now that everyone is doing it apparently ETV na yo JN Azin is telling people nisongoja dwara poster zwachi not those account.
Yeah, WWE does that as well.
ETV is doing that okay WWE just mentioned. Red Dice Pictures did the same. I think it was 3 weeks back. What visa statement now come. Then that comment. What Facebook? What Dice? Remember people take the content Red Dice. Post everyone is getting views. What money if they are monetized all that. Some Red Dice have realized no man. Probably they are paying for whatever equipment that they have to use. In another Niger clip yabo. Not a mini. Okay,
another person comment. I feel like for Gideon it was not the same though, because Gideon was doing commentary.
Yeah, so akonyaga nenditashi ndikwamba nazina lawa.
You guys you want to avoid that convo
because everyone now kusoma dakan hey bizani as the podcast just
and
that's what people were actually pushing now. Or no card and then now it's like okay, jambo ninga kaditomen. Umwambera ne.
There's no need for him to even come. Ningamfonela
no, I'll take you ngomba nayo.
Urilinika. Cuz ila linika lo by bro. I spoke to like ngazuzwa Gideon ne. So his father called me. So he was like are there some few people that you'd like to talk in the funeral bane rangaba dakalisti abakwambura namsanda na mini ndari no I'll talk to some of the artists because ne watu banenda besana connection nabo ndizi artists as content creator so ndizo zama banenda bakasekele yabo ndaenda phone ndikumbuza I know the boy mini mara I know the boy he really fucked with the guy ngongana I was like should pull up man if you can I know the very rambo the tomo amba because ndia barabara the tomo amba abakumbuzo ri elanti yombai so blind and yobai sana black z elati ngongana ambuza story chote
that's the thing mwamu wa the story cha demand
so ndengweni mtukana
yeah so I was like no I didn't want to
mublipa
I don't know that jamutu ndari hey okay then zure tumwamba kana ndini fonele ni pesa ide story chanu cha ndengo I was like yeah kaita zvawo zvina kuita so yeah that's the thing and then also yela tije kwamba rozoro nikufindo mudzima interview the guy remember ndore you gonna have like sort of like a round table rachila ramba sachimwe then abakori mini ndikunya godanda shoot ndare but then guy rono ambe zvistu rori doita sa
group the interview wala mfetukaini because in the boy ne maybe I should tell
manda mudzori atina mafungo naye ndomuudze zvo
yeah ene nomuudza ndezo apori okay ndizongori opfori ngori nangombudza rofilisa and ndibori he was on his way to shoot at some point 9
oh atapa
nakabana beyo I don't know roitiani kana olengosvika
hangoda Hey.
Mara nomfonela Josie. That was the one time I would have met that boy. You know, I've never met him in person.
Okay, nendo amba naye December last year. I think.
No, ndombona ko jog olamfethu. Funny enough. The only time I've ever seen him was when he was jogging apadzima, abadzula apadzima olamfethu. Achigidima kela bada.
I don't think nando in person. But then the abakote do shoot ati. I think rotenderana ndarika bverere ti. Ndimsirona ambaro ko chitanga group na. I think is it before the group or after chamura chapati. Mara hezo za individual. I think there was something I needed or ringazo discuss ati. The fresh ati. I was like, okay, you can pull through now.
Yeah, that's true.
I was like, yeah, good, I'm coming. Amadere upitori ti.
No mbuzoro order.
Ndam texted. They're like, okay, rikoti shitabi machero. I'm blue tick ati. I'm like, okay. Ngacha machero I think of one mbuzori. I was still shooting what not as in Pindu. So I was like, okay, it's fine. And then a week later, after a few days, I'm phoning with the ish, and nobody eat and tomorrow, nobody went to Pitor, too much agono vera Josie, mean. I was like, Maranating on Buza, because you actually posting status, you get and to the one and as in the post,
Marana's studio.
Yeah, because bra, then you don't schedule lasso.
Yeah, Nandin distress. This one couldn't phone Resha Phyll Nigalanga Lori too.
So no, I was like, nah, man.
No, but
the number shooter regroup as we discuss. I'm like, no, not trying to it's not only him.
Oh,
not already kushutanga too. And see, then rapush every chaff and I to swika. Why should I then make another effort to make a book? And I mean, I'm like, attend is the truth if Mudimba phone.
Abango phone number.
Yeah, in this instance.
And it's okay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
It ends at least you wrote the amba.
Yeah, and at least you respect Ashifa Kakai. Yeah. So, Naina Shifa Kakai. Nanchis Diva. No, Laching project.
This is a cup, Mom, last year in December.
Ah, yeah.
So straight.
Shout out to Gideon Carter. Yeah. Long live, man.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by HvrdKO Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Yeah, and then Osman, before we think I am Mizo into right, man. I wanted to ask you, Ori.
So what are Mizo going to go to that kind of voice note?
No, in that, neither Jena, cause Nego Bosazori, who do you think cut the artists of Venda? We're going to understand as Neko creators as equator. Like no matter how, Nishingam same, and I mean, it's fine. Bako Yambango probably can welcome opinion now, even though Chinga Wesingo.
Yeah, that's a dope case, eh?
What do you think is that nigga? Kana, that lead?
Well, I think, okay.
Because Ningano tell a girl, so.
There's a lot of them, yeah. Funny enough, even her.
Really?
Yeah. Tell a girl. You should have tell a girl through, yeah.
No, no.
Then you go to Siambangori. I feel like with Taylor, we have like a super talent in a.
Tell a girl as well, Mtana.
Yeah. So, you know, and you go drop album. So I feel like it would be great. Naban good number na Divana Jenya or Yamzika. She's been grinding. Let's
do this.
Taylor.
You got recruiter.
Management were Music Express, yeah. But yeah, nah. I think JR player, yeah, that's the guy who understands it. That guy gets it. Unarine, he gets it. Unanom Gogom's alive, and he took it.
And what Joiner's live
every day. He engages.
Input.
Yeah. JR and his name Hazukoni, but Una at least was Mara JR at a human level.
Yeah.
Talking to him on the phone, talking to him in person. The boy understands it. And I also think Asati gets it too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because I did so gogomise, yeah. Because, I mean, is it that you like that shit or you don't, bro?
Yeah.
Ini niya daranga mzika Asati?
Yeah. No funiswanga wa fro.
Zwabukuma?
No funiswanga fro.
Ninga design?
Yeah, I do.
What's your favorite Asati song?
Song? No. So much ready to do something. Don't do wrong copyright. Not the number of Sati. Not the number of Sati. Do Vumero Peramtane, what the problem at Zina.
Okay.
Not the album you have. If you mean Irna Metro.
Nimbo Polori.
No, not recently. Is that
Yamadi like Madi?
I think so.
In Quibon.
I'm going to the blue, so I'm going to realize if you album atidzawa hela ntisa
ngava ledlozi lawe lila madini
zauku
za straight man
zauku ero zinyanza
ngora hizi nana bofatsi ngwazi conspiracy dzimwe za Chris Badwe
so that guy hela ntika drop within a week nani chikwediwa nyimbo dzote ti mara mutani uweta nditechereza zati azazidiwi and she asked me how do you know these songs I'm like those are nendichifamzika verses
mara ni combo because of Mamisi.
Yeah, I listen to him because of her.
Okay. Now shout out to Mkon.
Yeah.
Sorry. Another artist that gets it besides us, Sunny, at the top of my mind. Yeah. None, bro.
Just those.
And it's Ndemo about it. Na metro ni Ndemo.
Really?
Oh.
Titenda foko gogo miso.
No we are fonero la muna kwata. Ndomba something. Mara like metro cases la zine zanga za Mizo. Metro bro, like like you can't say that, bro. You could have just called me. That's a speculator.
The Brondi gatekeeper mara. Ndura zombra. The voice note thing. Mamula zinu kwambo.
Yeah,
Metro angarona ini mara. He doesn't want to see you down.
Yeah, he's not gonna wish you bad. Like he's not gonna say, "Nilicho record." Man, how many families are being fed? Yeah.
Bruh,
how many? Like in the patera brand. Why does he feel like he's the only one who has the right to part or something, bro?
Bruh, na imara ramba zvawe udapedza kuri mini.
Yeah, udodrova msonzo wawe.
Because I don't think vatu ramba zvamataka. I don't think vatu ramba zvine zvavasikomataka. Vamba ngamzika nje.
Sometimes nendi mara ramba ngeni yawe futhi.
Yeah, but then the energy for that
mubenga because nendi ambesa ngeni yawe than the music. I don't hate his music.
Okay, maybe I also focus on the energy.
Mizo ndo nambidzela News Cafe, bro.
Nani wangu bidzela vaimbi.
Bro, I was chilling with my niggas. Ndo ya site number 2 amshumoni. Ukujena Mizo and I'm like, bro, that's the biggest artist in my hood. Like in my Venda, you know. These niggas are closer. Eba Phyll.
Vanijensela matha.
Unonteza yeah.
Vanijensela? Wait, actually they were before.
He knew the hell I was.
Oh, then it makes sense.
He had blocked me at the time, so
why did you get blocked?
I don't know, bro. I'm blocking enough 500 views on them. Listen, followers and
now then to realize that block. When was it? When I'm going to check something to Mizo.
I'm going to block and black out you.
Yeah, I think need to block mutu. I block na the pages never nazo.
I
don't know.
No, ka Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, mara ka TikTok.
No, ka TikTok wangu block and didn't block it.
No blocker. No,
ndiko shaba uingejera zuza udofimi mini ngori dobona zwinge zitukanti zawe aramboderi mini
so nikoto divisa like even from FYP.
Yeah man, cuz ndachi mbona FYP I was like no man randi tomvisa already cuz ndona something charongo ti ndana chamba but wakwata so I'd rather keep him out.
Hemuna nandi exist anola munna ka space chiti mararbonani tom blogger. So like I can comment on the same video as him, and then my fans are like, "Yeah, but come on, and I'm up and I'm Mizo, but I'm still." That's
the thing. So that's what I can comment. Yes.
So but in another blogger, never blogger Music Express ola munane, and then I blogger nanane. I ka Facebook hadimi madzinanga basa. Kunuza atwa nendiya Google yachi. Ato Google lingo dobari HvrdKO easy. Ukodoya block na LinkedIn yango la muna. Do block na Facebook yango.
I don't think on LinkedIn though.
Is this one? Ribora chungo onika ka LinkedIn.
Yeah, maybe.
Probably.
Yeah.
Uniswa. I think I can check Uniswa. Yeah, he's still saying something Uniswa, I think.
Yes, I lot ndando kwa voice note mam na ndichito swika da. I'm like, nah, this guy, bruh. Nah, you don't do that.
Like bro, ndobuza muntu uri asongo okay
bra like ito influence yakuma yori bra omuntu ezishu ndizvano ndineri kubudza ngere ori ngere make indiano
what and you know funny enough I actually asked ngere that bro didn't he call you too bro
there's a high chance
because I was like for real man cuz
mara ngere onodzimbamba zino probably nombofunza uziko kondowana cuz ro kuziko
ngere is accessible man. People know
kama tubazati ngoro emba nawo mrawo azombo ndo block wa fast ngori ngero emba naye zambo ngera chango bya game ni
ngere is a real one. I hope so. Nikalanga wo producer
I was like nah but it's okay my flex zopira yemuna
but it's like which wanga vala na mutara na 40 ndiwali 1986 home to
he said that in his song.
Yeah, I didn't do it. In 1986, he was doing this thing.
So yeah, una 40, so 26.
fuck akuvhalela mwana ari na
I feel like mara vatu chi because hela zvino vatu vakambori no ndibviseni kamizo nami I feel like at some point vatu yotenda ti because look at the thing ila ina kwamba yabo Max Gilingo dor no wobvisa album na mina mizo ti I was just like uri ndisangova na any opinion kanto ndibvise kila zvito because why ndikote vana good opinion mara vana cha bad tikote vana so rather than listen to the music anymore.
So you rather stop doing what you do because omunambiri yawe ndituku man fuck that nigga man
man exactly fuck him so
yeah
in that way so ndito matatu rinoona muzika rina nditotenda rocky chao ndidopfa kurira wotovaro ndorira apa lani mushifi mfano wangawo King Nen ndio nendarira ono
otoita ni King Nen urai inazo zvidivi anifenela ku uraziyo mwaliwa azonga credit
I don't know what
who reached out though? Did he reach out to Mizo?
No, uri kumangara. That's what is live nena.
Oh, baba kuzibona ne?
Baba kuzibona. Because after that night, jigi uko vuwa machoni uri himuna ndopangiwa da.
Oh, chala. Sango zibona rukulukisa country.
So yeah, man, anything. Oh, I wanted to ask to speak about the thing ya mzika ti. Ribar kodrigo but sama mati ya Venda so. Sama Venda, not Venda. Sama Venda. Ngabo no that guy attack. What did you think of that thing? Wako degrade mzika washo.
Yeah, I think tone yola mfetu ne. Ndo ambandare. I don't like his tone.
Dingo mara tone.
Yeah,
so
Gondio.
The truth.
Yeah, these boys are whack, bro. Most of them, they're terrible. Not all of them. Uribo I mean, ndudarera. Mara like yeah, man, muzika wa Venda uko struggle. Like he's not lying. Uko struggle even like number wise we're not doing well. Besides the few wajara but camp ya Mizo to show why he's a king because this camp is the only one actually performing well na kazi chat.
What camps are there in Venda?
I don't know. Ndingatori mara ndizodivora na zigiriki. Zvezva vafili tivangakena vafetu vachibasa. Vafetu both vachibasa they rap Mizo so. Vatu va Western vafuna nanga chavo.
Wewe vanjerere.
I feel like rina vewe rini.
Some of the panga karina. I feel like we tanzwa vewe nge.
No, but I feel like rine as our industry coexist. Ya njerere na ya chibasa. Like Rabukana sometimes
because you all need us.
Yeah, we need you guys because we don't ever. Well, not that we need you to that level. Just that Arna was a superstar in Venda. In fact, in Njerere Arena, I don't think we have a superstar in Venda like a Mizo. The most famous guy now is Fizzy. He's not even from there. I mean, I don't consider that guy from Njerere. And then it's a Visilom. We are Willis Poto and Vinjerere. Unovanga ikeva bachibasa na masipala wabondi tulamela aba weli kama kato
la zoto masila silo mpala
tulamela ni chito jina pala chikombani ndi tulamela jurisdiction ya tulamela
I just thought nito pera zikeve ninjerere aninge
no but ndi njerere mara like it's not really njerere man.
Speaking of fees man, what do you think of AI music? Because when chira akwamba ngazo hey ama utakuto mushimisa AI, who do you think should use it and who shouldn't?
I think it's a great thing if you use it as a tool. Sazune producers on Jax. I don't know if you know Jax.
Nah.
Jax on the beat. Yeah, go check him.
Oh, yeah, I know the thing. The tag.
Yeah.
Jax on the beat.
Yeah, we tell that beat and Dibenai. That kiddie blind. Or incorporate AI album ya Unari I enjoyed it, bro. The recent one, the mixtape. Ana Unati Solomon. Yellow no fi
Bro, Unari rani je ntuma Unati
unati Solomon.
Zinondori unarine namuna.
Ndiro kaka. Ende unanezoro mkwata namunoba. Arindiri choso kori unarine.
Unampio.
Unarine Lagos in Venda. Ovo kwatra. Tina kokogwa Mr. Ramsey. Well, let's go Mr. Ramsey.
That's the thing. Nani ngasibize muna shumisani madzina ani va perform ngao.
Yeah, ndizo zone
mara. Like how you call a peasant una Ramsey unarine.
Man, I know their names, bro, too. I can say unarine.
Marina riri Glen kaini.
Neadhiri Glen.
Riri HvrdKO.
Oh, neadhiri Glen. Neadhiri na Phophi. Ndadhiri pendu.
Ah, man. Aben vi Phophi. Yes. Hey. Ngose witazi vitu kaini.
Ene ndo rino kutsianga mani.
Oh, damn. Ba the one item.
Nah. Kutsianga bobo ndi awesome, bro. Nendi kandi go lose me. I don't have parents. You know the offer.
No, you just said you don't have a dad now. I knew of your mom.
Yeah. Shout out to Joe.
Yeah, and then nani kama uzuri ni mara ningasishimisa mazina ntuma muna.
Unofi una mara. Una JR player una naka Facebook. So ndari una come on man, they must stop catching. uri ndingachinyera uri unopeka ari ndingape ndingarumira maloyara uri ndingava nochinyera dzina
zakukuma ufuna ningaita mini adha fimini uripeya maloyara
tina uda kudziita ndikani
ningogogomisa vathu
ndinoenda chinya brand yanye ndari like defamation ndirivaranda well atidhivi mara ndazvidhuri I'll never defame somebody and if I do if you feel like namba chito china nichifuni nendifunga ndi reachable bro well atipi vatu nomboro mara nadhaka TikTok yanga ndifindira first bad topatisapinda nomboro dzanga
and then the thing AI what do you think is using AI na kuti ishumisa zvinhu kauti probably vayen okay there's fees now
vote vakuitodzi piano namina variche
na fees yaliche is it 10 million views bro. Is it
10 million views coming? The good young. Una imwe ya inchafuti na million.
Is it 2 point something?
Yeah,
number 2.
Yeah.
Apparently that thing the good young is also an album.
Yeah, it's an album. It was within an album. That's what I didn't know that.
Yeah, I also saw it at that time.
But I don't like AI music like that, man. There's just some songs I like. Mne lauti ono fi what opinion? Zotekisi.
I don't know that guy.
You don't know Zotekisi? Some kid, man. I don't know.
Everyone, man.
Eh?
Won't know everyone.
I think we're gonna vet all amchita.
So?
I mean, but we're vets and divan.
Inandi watu tikinkala mamwana. Tikinkala cha watu wararu. Vete.
Ane watu we NMU ndi abadiva. Venda jina nabo.
NMU ini na building taru.
Okay.
Because we fuck guys.
Arogwama. Renewa zinveso pase mkwama. Arogwama.
I'm kidding, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Mara, yeah, as a professional, you gotta have vets in your...
Nah, man.
Vets or UP, man, in your you know, your credentials.
Yeah, whatever. That live Jane.
I feel like goes a long way. Na indigenous Google, you're very rentable. University of Johannesburg. Area pro.
Of Johannesburg.
You're off vets very. We weren't the vets fiend.
Yeah, the time I Jane. Recruited soccer vets here.
Yeah, but yeah. I think he not Una, but Fizzy. Yeah, he's doing good. But I feel like producers don't have a JXC on the beats. The way they're using AI is different from it's also go type prompt.
Yeah.
So like they would just put like it's backup, it's ad-libs, it's melody. Like they're so talented, man. Angel, it's like a choir or something. Like they use on man, the way they use it is beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Like I wish they can continue using it like that. Who's is easy?
And then if the good day you winner.
Never, it must never win. No.
Song of the day what's going to happen?
No.
Nito complain about you.
Redo complain.
Why?
Yeah.
Mara ngochina
ngaro. Kaito zvayo mara songo chinyarwa muzika.
Bro, mara voriako pana vone vakodiridzwa kazi metro.
Mara vakuawadiwa ti. He wasn't nominated. He could have been nominated because his track was a hit.
Yeah, I get it.
Sukalale hit.
Para kai like a fees runozo vatwa the time ya awina.
What? Para who have they ever plugged, bro? And then I got royo putwa on para.
Who plug? Remember the time in injury para it doesn't put on by Venda. That was the unantino for VH585.
I don't know what Venda was actually what you would fina where up a 7 rapping.
But categories was so Venda.
No, but what she yala fit clock.
Have you unari negana to VJ arm with the Dari penny top 5 into Venda parties. Mudubara unari now. No song was strong para. No.
I can count JR, but not Asa.
Exactly. So na JR na asi into.
No, but JR is rapper.
Ngotorobvisa kualbum kuti rapper zvono.
No, but
nachi muzori vendor party saka dzimbari ndi.
I'm on the podcast they are not only budzari. I'm a rapper, bro. I was a rapper.
Otomangi mranga long live.
Yo, so wasipedi zova rapper. Nande ndingasiko change zvino. Ndabona li hit ndazikuthoma kuimba. Nabona ngati kwasa rap. Nende mtrapper. So it happens, you can change, bro.
Mara ka join fees. How do fees the award ni file form matches ni submit everyone all the time.
So ngori chira bzika.
What did you tell more into H&M visa music with the DSP?
Hey man, and mafena uba kontswenya, bro.
No, those one ka comment. I think Bamlo if not Mulo. No, bro, Kingsley. What's happening?
I don't know, bro. I think zvene ndako suspect andizori angobadira distributor because akoshimisa distro. Ngano rango renew mini annual fee. Nande ndiso yange juwe. Nawango ngabva ngori ingabounce. Stova kungoshimisa fee. Ndishimisa chunko itomaka for I think 400 and something.
Per annum.
Per year, yeah.
Oh, then you
distribute unlimited. Yeah, and they chunko blind. They have different tiers. So, yeah. Ndio buy dzanta karanu ya control. Unga record label yanu when you go credit artist inji, like as primary artist, you gotta pay I think $50. Chile the inji, naziba de na. But at $24. Yeah, I think it's around probably.
Yeah, well, it should be 4 something or 3 something.
It's very cheap.
No, makes sense. But then, because I just felt like him, why nine? Because you was on about the end of check and then jiggy there's nothing.
Yeah, I think he didn't pay. Or I don't know, maybe he's trying to distribute with another tango organizer zingwe distribute. Because Venda wako trambo wako slave abafethu man. Batonga bo sign contract man.
Oh.
Ndobona
for that distro Venda. What were they doing there?
Yeah, workshop. Ufi apparently a workshop or muzika. So they were just selling their products uri. Yeah, ni Karisa na ba member. I want to be a member of Sambro Risa. Claim the rights. So baba kurubuza bathu the rights zavo and then ba advertiser the distributor. Yeah, they were pushing though. I liked what they did because Arianzeru who engage on as la platform and they take a lot of our kids' money because remember the platform is baba kubadira fee every month and the Venda pay you every year. Venda pay but manjwashim says distro.
Yeah.
So imagine how much money they should give back to the community. I think they were trying to give back. But yeah, fuck them. And
then also speaking of HD, I think after we dropped Given, there's something you mentioned, or no, these guys are actually different now. What did you mean by that? In terms of their work ethic?
Yeah, I was wrong. Eh? Did I say that?
Yeah.
They're the same.
I think they're not the same in terms of their work ethic. No.
H is a lazy nigga. He's a lazy rapper.
Because when you heard him also, I only drop when I have to. When I feel like people should have music.
We write him music andara. Mara he's lazy. Yeah, Guzba kushoka kufira bro.
Show it music.
Oh, songamba ngayo ngori ndo yamba naki. Oh
yeah, it's fine.
But yeah.
Yeah, give people your thing, man. Your YouTube channel.
Mr. HvrdKO by fit. Ngazina ndifi HvrdKO. Nuskeni search ya Google no Google ya dibi wanga Google. So yeah, na kunyo So H. Yeah, I think he's lazy, bro. That guy is so lazy for such a talent. Then bro, I'll drop every time because his fans.
Yeah.
They eat.
Yeah, that's
they are just man. They're just waiting for him. Mara ene. I don't know. It's like nichi benzu me.
When you go to Jamba so name.
No, natanga na ichi.
Yeah.
Angani wrong. It's also kwamba chiri odaka podcast ya ndara netazo ngani ro. No. He does seem like that nigga. Like touch benzo no given. No. In fact, I don't need to wear angani gripa given.
Nah, mama, that's a Chandra fit. But why? But the Ndela Zune what one say your thing, young tag. Cannot young tag, we'll come to write here. 50 cents. So when money ganning anytime.
I'm young tag 150 Loruga. Tagan which one enjoy Ivan.
Thank you, Ruby, for 15 to over dangerous.
So we let it as a fifth as a metro. What is so cool?
CMG.
Legend.
Yeah, man. Also, before Jamagumonti, another thing, Lekompo also. Do you think those guys are gone for good?
No. Hey, somebody actually from Lekompo died today. That's so cursed.
Oh, yeah,
I also don't know. But like, the genre is cursed, bro. Shabu hearing, I don't know if he got bail.
No, he was denied.
The
third one.
Now you know this is different now. Because Shabeti, no Busaba Trubanje. Shabu is such a cult, bro. But I feel like with Lekompo, I feel like Lekompo still has a chance. Mara, these bad habits is never the attract. They gotta tone down, bro. They gotta discipline some of these kids. They're overperforming. Like, man, I feel like we're going to travel less among Babo. And the traveler intoxicated. Karishma almost lost her life, bro. I mean, that award they probably gave her because they were feeling bad for her, bro.
What makes you
they were feeling bad for her. She's not the best Lekompo. Come on, man, relax. Nobody voted for Karishma. Na votera Shandeshe. Nifunga mafena Shandeshe bako doskipa Shandeshe baba votera Karishma just for one category. I win a best artist.
The same thing as in Ngumalo though.
Okay, because in Ngumalo and confess, bro, these people are in the same genre. And the most popping one between Karishma and Shandesh, who would say is more popping than
I would say Shandesh is more popping now,
yeah.
Marandela sorry. Now it's just a time. Mara Karishma ndio la mtani. Utanga Mizo Karishma. ningatojema muzika wakare usina na mini
man, they're just feeling bad for her.
Nah, man.
Nobody, even the people who voted for her, she doesn't deserve that thing, bro. I mean, she works hard. Bangambenga le kanyalo vari mina ngamapedi vachiri ningambenga man atina ndava navo mara like they were being sympathetic nizvibona nanga the whole thing like the family was there. It's like they no she was going through a lot but like man that was
she deserves it. Also remember we know why nama she listened to that
I've
song.
Never heard of it.
Exactly, she listened to that song.
I will not. I don't play Lekompo, bro. Ndiliza makazi pezi.
Na I listen to Lekompo. Makazi wala kama Lekompo.
Oh, the.
Oh.
Makazi ndi queen.
Yeah, that's right. You hardly do that thing zunena yakamiza kama makazi.
So I mean, there's eater.
Really?
Yeah.
Makazi
marasi mtu wa opapa zabafili. No, bafila bapapi mara like as mtu wa muya. Yeah, like makazi umgwagwa misi aphendula angaphendula makazi. So
nakanele aphendula makazi.
And it doesn't really levani dodzesa ini ningaphaka yini. Ini ningidophaka yini na. Kama makazi.
Why?
Nisomrambi.
Hayi muna. Udohoda zvezvo chipinga chichisvika.
Makazi aunopfi chipinga chichisvika mtu atua. Gideon Carter couldn't make it here and we sad.
This guy, man.
No, he needs for real, bro. I'm being honest. Like me, like this is great for my fans, bro. You don't know what you did for them. How many people have said to you? How many fans of Makazi watch you, bro? Who like we want to see Makazi. Even if in Filori you're not ready, maybe Makazi just do it, man. Fuck this nigga, man. I don't know.
Una structure vitu mwanangu tena ndizviwe na structure ariko freestyle
structure chanomkurvaisa man
yeah structure chitakaze bathu both that's one thing
you're waiting for the right time.
Why insati bana metro ini zvino
I feel like metro I want him in person. I don't want to do this phone call things.
Okay zvino na nemakazona ndakomutodera hone that's a structure.
Okay,
what you just said
is so nina plan episode ya makazi nani ndina plan ya vafili.
Okay zvino I plan nani ndiko plan zvanga.
Okay
mama focus kama shumawo
uzirera
anything ina nyoka mbarisa tovara because ndazozo nizonyo kokomisa.
Yeah, I didn't say fast.
Yeah, what I'm like this guy, man.
But shout out to MR21, man.
What for me?
Eh? No. Yeah, I'm talking to the Walisa, but because
Walisa, mom. Black Couch.
That's what that's not policy for even my mom, bro.
So no research. Come on, you guys are in.
No. Like shout out to the family because they pulled up. Rufra dura, bro. So that's why I'm like, shout out to MR21 because I've seen some of the events. I'd never but did.
What do you mean events? The MR21. As events? I don't know.
It's an event.
Okay. Oh,
it's a ceremony.
Yeah, of course. Now, Desmond Dwele, I'm in the event of what?
Yeah, in the event of certain day.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
You can't script.
Also, man, I wanted to ask you something.
Yeah, no, I got to shout out to them because, bro,
actually,
they're keeping the lights on, and I hope they're really taking care of you, bro.
Yeah.
Because
bro.
You look good, also. You know how you can judge a man looks like he's doing well. The skin, bro. And to the first also. So Kezo, what's saying around? Rukanda tells you that a man is being taken care of.
I want to give you these names as content creator and tell me what you think of them. Let's start with Randy Gaga.
Yeah.
What do you think of Randy Gaga?
I think she's dope. I think she's creative. She's too crazy for me.
Yeah.
I don't know what makes her so in her. But I think as an actor, she can improve a lot. Sinete urwa trainer.
Sinete urwa trainer.
She wants to be a coaching trainer.
Oh, you train to actor?
Yeah, actor. Namsinzo majena shikoro also. Wangani unyaguri a train about. I was like, shout out. She must train Randy Gaga because Randy Gaga is good. Have you seen his skits?
I don't know about the skits.
It looks crazy, but like, oh damn.
Anga actor Nigeria, Randy Gaga.
Yeah, Anga Nollywood, and that's no disrespect. She can be a star even because Nollywood is big. So yeah, that's what I think. I think she's dope, but she must stop music.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's deep.
Adichezwa mziki again.
And then LK Galinkuta.
Obiba.
He's having a show also.
Yeah. Shout out to
but-
his show. Yeah.
Yeah, Maridwa in the tent. We don't know. Yeah.
No. In the show ya Ukuma. And I think we should go support
He
him.
called me already.
I don't know if you're gonna be there. You should be there, bro. Yeah. That's how highly I think of Gali.
So yeah, I'm gonna come back. Hey, mfana ndinifuna manda. Yeah.
But yeah, that's what I think highly of him. Besides zvendahamba tikumushe imane then agali ramba sondo pfandeve dzanga dstv zikogwagwa muska. But that's how we play with him. But he's so talented. He's funny. I think he can do stand-up comedy, that guy. Yeah, like Venda if you're stand-up comedy.
Yeah, he said he wanted to do that actually.
Yeah, he needs to he needs to do it, bro.
Yeah.
I think he's a great rapper too. I don't know if he's a good songwriter. Yeah, he sucks at it.
Wakona rapper mara.
Wakono rap and yeah, we times got blind mara.
Yeah.
Bulupeni awati tembi.
I don't know about that.
I
don't focus much on that. I'm not an artist.
Bring that.
And then ala ufinyi ezu twins were
Yo,
prayed.
way. Charlie,
Yeah. What do you think of them?
I think the funnier one is the one who wears a dress.
I don't know. They were dizuri nyindinyi.
The Prince.
Prince ni pindu wao tswadzi.
Prince ndio la wa the Charles.
Oh.
Prince ndio was wiki na makeup.
Oh, what do you think of him?
I think he's funny.
And then the other one?
He's a criminal. Alleged criminal.
Yeah.
But no. On an honest mugwagwa, I think Prince is the funny twin. He's very charismatic. And then there is this the friend, the brother. I think he's creative. Nah, yeka content.
Yeah.
Charles. Like blind Charles. And unanomboro Charles.
Yeah.
Like engaging numbers. Like clip anything about Charles and check it out. You will get a reaction from anything. So I think he's very good with social media. Yeah, I think he can. Musically, he must stop. He must keep working. Not to stop, but I think he must keep working. When you mtu aliche ngori ndini nyinyi namu uzaona watu aliche. Nina filicha nu podcast ningatenda.
Ndichisa una zinadompa. Unobonara.
How much do you think somebody can give you to live this?
Based on the plans, I will take 10 now.
10 meter. Shit.
Now. Only now.
Just for now.
Based on the plans even.
Okay. That's a fair figure. Yeah.
And then,
I must be close to you when you say it.
Yeah, I mean, anything rest out of in 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Nange it in 1 hour. Napano 1 hour fair.
1 hour fair.
What's been, man?
Now I go 2 hours, man. No. I just want to say, first of all, man, to the fans of TheGyad, I couldn't go to the funeral. And apologize blindly.
Oh, people were dragging you for that also, yeah.
Eh?
People were dragging you for that as well.
Yeah, they attacked me, na Mizo. But when they called Mizo, I mean, I pulled up my kid. Yeah. I got responsibilities. It's a family. I just couldn't go.
Is that your only kid?
Allegedly, yeah.
Yeah, never know, eh?
Never know. But I'm a loyal guy, bro. So ati mtu ane na jirani kuvula zukete. So no, he is my only son, my firstborn son. Got him. I was young also when I made him. So he's my best friend, in fact. Yeah, you're literally in the
When did you make him?
Make him? Hey, msazo wangu asifuye.
Mara ndibudziso.
Looking at my juicy sleeping. Hey, na wanibanga.
What was that? Do you remember the night or the day?
I remember when I made him, bro. I knew.
Oh, so you planned it?
Not planned, but me and my friend did a thing, ne?
Oh,
they related to him, yeah.
So now I'm going to
Balingana banabashu.
Oh, so the gamble.
Not a gamble. Me and him were best friends. Like we not best friends like like we're very close. Like we're like brothers. So then I would like our kids to have the same bond as what we have. So meaning basongo deran because ilati ampira. So so at the same time, funny enough, God, we didn't plan it.
God listened though.
Ambodhirio vahamba ndambodhivana ndikambori ubva mitaro miviri apala.
It's your track.
That's it. Like mkona asoko mara inena kumbudza mafungo offline like.
Argent, guys, I think we're done.
No, before, let me check. There was something I came for you, bro. Because, I mean, just for my people. Because Go to better 5 minutes of producer ne. Did over fast tonight.
Arif.
I have some questions for you, bro. Let me.
Questions?
Yeah, I prepared some few things, bro. Like, first of all, bro, would you do radio? I just want you to quickly tell me. Would you go on radio? It's like rap rocho so coffee. I read them resource
The day we spoke about it on the live, I started thinking about it. I was like, I would actually do it. Mara, ndina uchuola sorry. What if I say something wrong? Because I know it.
Wrong like how? Matamba or like?
No, definitely not Matamba.
Yeah, I'm going to say man this. I'm going to say man the face.
Yeah.
Sorry, my baby.
Probably
like,
fighting.
Baby,
probably fighting. Nabatwane come say, well, we're not supposed to on the radio. You never know it. Or maybe any radio I would do. Probably your choice, I would do it because they do mix Venda and English.
Also, you talk radio, like in a metro. Metro is a talk radio. You can talk. You can have a conversation.
Yeah, I feel like I enjoy talking to people.
So the news reading.
No, I wouldn't do that, man.
Okay. So you would do radio?
I would actually. For now, I don't know. Yeah, but mbiza bari kade mwananga. Ndakabampe koro kaimwe interview actually.
Koroni. Koro. Koro. Koro.
Don't go build day yet.
Ngopata jana chivenda chang. Nyechi kuna chivenda mara?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Oh, shit. That's dope.
They're blind.
Ayo, people are not jana vezi.
So, yeah,
okay.
I'll do it.
Now, what's your name? Come make a call. Come make a call.
Yeah, call. I don't mind. I don't pass chile disease.
But do volunteer. Udura chone studio na Cape Town. In fact, BC. So yeah, in terms of Venrap, ne, you always see you a Venrap guy. Who was, I am. You are, ne? Like from deep. Don't find kwamba artist that I never heard of. No one, but some I've heard.
WO.
Yeah, WO. In any diverse story, ne? I don't know that deep. You probably know Venrap history more than me. No one.
Most probably.
Yeah. So in terms of Venrap, who was one artist that time when you were rooting for, bro? Like they didn't make it, but like
they didn't make it.
You were like, bam, bro! I thought this guy would have been the biggest rapper.
I think Manana. Because Racha is still here. I would have voted for Racha, but then Racha is still here. So I think Manana, man.
Manana?
Yeah.
Shit. He's still around, man, but I heard it's not okay.
Jiggy.
You bring another street?
Yeah, Racha Raro.
No, for some afford, eh?
Ziparauri.
Okay, my bad.
Dore Ziparauri.
Okay. So,
yeah. Alele. Shout out to Nature and I'm good to say a line.
I've never seen an episode till this day, bro.
Yeah, you must watch it, man.
I don't know, man.
Nah, man. You old in one and a room plan and a brother. Sorry.
So yeah, I also have a question for you, bro. This internet dating thing, bro.
Internet dating.
What do you think about it? Internet dating, online dating, like social dating, social media kind of dating. Because Roy Ramba in Wangandic Mumati, Dari, you a guy who was posting content with like what do you think about it though? Even though you do
public relationships kind of.
Yeah, public. Like you don't mind posting your girl, talking about your girl. You're so proud of your girl, bro. Like this nigga, bro. Like, this guy's so proud of Mukona, man. Like you even sold us her glasses.
No, man.
What can do for my glass? Yeah,
yeah, but then I don't think there's anything wrong with whether I'm Zumbiti. If I'm true Washang, trust me. Because I feel like what Zumba batu. Okay, not everyone, but the majority of them. Wafonga udojiwa. This can happen. What that woman's haramra. What couldn't
for sure.
So I feel like now no Zumba. Una about problem shumoni koloni. Ugo there mulona. I'll fuck the Varamo logo down to Maywe Doko Dorenga. Feel what renga yet. She's probably gonna see another guy. So I'm just like, man, if that's what you enjoy, I don't mind.
So you'd encourage guys to.
I wouldn't encourage you, do what you want.
Do what you want.
Mara ninga daily one in tune. Nisav asavi. Na duzore tina nindova asarete. That is the most even.
I mean, there's many. Have you ever forgiven her after you found out? Yeah, I would never, bro. Especially if she's known. It makes it even difficult.
Would you forgive a person?
Me? I would never, bro.
Okay.
But like, if nobody knows, I feel like. Hey, so you've been together for so long, man. I don't know what damage it can do. I don't know.
Yeah, I get the damage part.
It's real that you. A new bond, bro, with somebody, you know. So yeah, but yeah, I remove it. That when you also you mentioned something came up episode yanne ne radio ne choice kana.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, remember orientation. You know, I was a house com, so I was so fascinated. Nikomba vesiyashinitisa the orientation first year. And I was saying you were likely gonna be my victim. No, then you punish.
No, I was also housecom actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What did you think though about that thing?
I think that thing is great. Zvifungudza na kundemwa petu unji.
Facility, ne?
Yeah.
Then you feel like it's great for.
And now Rene we fight it now because energy bloma wanida rest. Tonga zombo tomo da fino zuko tomo ite ari zvifungudze. And then I'm like, you're paid. I don't think it's because they want to know.
No, that's true. I know NMU, we were almost suspended for it.
We were suspended a lot.
Hey, we were almost. Other than na minister, baby minister, but was a VC.
But it's a good thing, man.
It's a dope thing.
I feel like they are at some point.
Yeah, mupata and like
independence they can survive on their own. Namse as out to varsity. No, I still younger December can see okay. So that's how it actually works. So Nishko's one of varsity. It was just scary ni first year, and then you get to understand and you're like, oh, now I see why it was happening.
And there was how was initiation now. So we knew what to sort of expect. So now you know what's the craziest thing they made you guys do, man? Because in the Raji initiation we called it responsibility.
I'm going to make I love it. But did a lot of things, man. When I went to so you all get naked.
Naked like mapuna. Kana no number the Andy
I'm trying to think. Was it naked?
Boxer kana meaning.
I think it was boxers. No, was it?
You got training. But the ferry was coming.
That thing was nice. That thing is nice. Then you're like, hey, do it there.
Yeah, because it's crazy. Because like,
yeah, I think we're in boxers. Yeah, I remember. Marufi before that was no raro. And there was a point where we were what was on Wamba Ragidimiwa, Badani Freeway. And film in M1.
Yeah,
you had to do that naked. Was it go?
But yeah, now man, I'm not here to interview you, man. I just
it's okay, man. I just wanted to have that talk but was the but then yeah, do subscribe to his channel. Oh, push and I see your quality, man, is also good. Shout out to Comzero.
When you miss Comzero,
because it doesn't allow.
He doesn't like that name.
Why Metro Metro?
Comzero was this okay, according to him, it was too much of a short era for you guys to.
Yeah, we knew him in that short era.
So you must that short amount of time. No more sit the entire brand comes there. That guy's done a lot, bro.
That two somewhere down running hangwa. Did you went with was hard? You never know change. I mean, Nanda with Dora's short air and whatnot. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. And then today we have HvrdKO. Ngoko misi. Yes, I'll see you on the next one, right? Renga varam sirto. You want to do a shout out to anyone?
Oh, shout out to let me do a shout out.
No, you check a phone.
No, you shout out to Una, man. Una is doing like a date. You can go to lunch with him.
Which Una?
Una Rene.
Official?
Lagos.
Oh.
So you can have a 40 minutes date with him and at a restaurant of your choice. I don't know if they're going to pay for that for you, but although, I don't know. Mara, like, for me, it seems like a nice thing because if like you're really a fan, you get a chance to spend time with your favorite. Because I mean, a lot of us would like, Mizo, I'm told that would have the interview.
Yeah, you should try get him and you interview podcast.
I don't think he'll come.
Yeah, just keep on trying.
The Diwa Shandi, ma bro. But yeah, that's the shout out. Yeah, that's the shout out to Phil. Thank you for having me though, bro. Yeah, this is a dream come true. Mama, we made it.
Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao. You're welcome.
ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
rari zwinwele
I love you.
homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on a 3. Rose of Hano, and I did a company chair.